Hi guys, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a custom alarm schedule for Viewtron AI security cameras. So I'm going to use that the Viewtron alarm security camera that you see behind me. It's the turret dome camera that you see on the left, not that pan tilt zoom camera. And those cameras have a built-in alarm light that can flash when an object is detected. And it also has a speaker that can play a custom alarm sound or a custom warning message. And I already uploaded a custom message to that camera a while back. You do that by inserting a micro SD card, and then you can upload, again, custom alarm sounds or a voice message. So lately we've had some trouble out here. This is the entrance to our office here in Lantana, Florida. And we've had some homeless people that are sleeping here at night, which at first wasn't a big deal, but they started making a mess here, leaving all kinds of garbage. And then they started going to the bathroom in the bushes over here. So that's when we drew the line and said that this can't go on anymore. So what I did was I set up an intrusion zone in this area here that will play the warning message that I uploaded, and also turn the alarm light on. But I obviously don't want that to be triggered during business hours. I only want it to go off like after 8 o'clock at night and up until about 5:30 in the morning. And it's worked really good. So let's go back onto the Viewtron NVR. That camera, along with all the other IP cameras here, are connected to a Viewtron NVR. And all the setup that I'm about to show you is done on the Viewtron NVR. Let's take a look and you'll see how it's done.
Here's the live view of the security camera on the Viewtron NVR. And I'm going to select settings here from the menu in the lower left and then click on AI event. I click AI event again on the left, and then this is where the intrusion detection is set up for this camera. So the regional intrusion you see is enabled, and I have this region set up here for the intrusion detection. And I have it set up to people only, obviously, in this area. There's no vehicles. But this is the important part. Up here is where you could set the custom schedule. And I already set up one called night, but I'm going to go in and manage to show you what I did. So if you were adding a new custom schedule here, you'd click this add button in the upper right. I'm just going to edit the one that I already created and clear out the settings. And then you could just click and drag across each day of the week for the time frame that you want the alarm schedule enabled. In my case, I want it the same time every day of the week. So I'm just going to copy those settings to all days. And then when you close this menu, the custom schedule option will now be in this drop-down box here. So I'm going to set mine back to night and click apply. For this particular camera, I have mobile app push notifications set up, then the IP camera's audio and light to come on. So I click apply there. And then the last thing I want to show you is we are setting up a custom audio message. So if you go into audio, this is where you could select the custom message that you want played on that camera. And then you could set the audio to the same night schedule. That's all optional because I'm specifically setting up a voice alarm for this camera, but the custom alarm schedule applies to any of those settings, and it's on a per camera basis.
Guys, I hope this video has been helpful. These Viewtron AI security cameras are extremely flexible. All that configuration that I just showed you, that's configurable by camera. So each of your cameras can have its own schedule for the human detection and or vehicle detection, whether or not it sends a push notification or just triggers recording, or you might want to trigger some external sensor that you have connected to the alarm relays on the back of the NVR. There's so much you could do with these things, and each camera is individually configurable on its own schedule. If you have any questions related to our Viewtron AI cameras or anything related to security camera systems for home business or government, you could reach out to me anytime. I could be reached via email at mike@viewtron.com. If you want to learn more about these Viewtron AI security cameras and the NVRs that you connect them to, please visit www.viewtron.com/AI. Thank you for watching.